Hi everyone, it's Kayla from Happy Face Photobooth Company. Today I'm going to show you how to create an event in Lumabooth. The event I will be creating is for a baby shower, and I'll be incorporating this cute animated tap to start screen. If you'd like to know how I did this, head to the description for the link to that video. So let's get started. Once the app is open, you're going to select create an event. I like to date and name the event. So for instance, I dated this event 9/13 Baby J's baby shower. Sorry about the blurriness, I didn't focus the camera enough. Okay, so you'll start with your welcome screen. Here is where you'll delete all of the text on the screen. So the Kate and Jack's wedding, as well as the date and time. Go ahead and select that just by tapping on it and hitting delete. The next step happens pretty fast, so I'll make sure to highlight on the next screen. Underneath the background, you'll click select and upload the screen that you created in Canva or the one that you downloaded from an overlay website. Notice that I'm still on the background tab. In order to change the colors of the buttons, you'll have to move to the theme tab, which you'll see me do in just a second. When you move to the theme tab, to change the colors of the text, you'll change your primary color to all white, and your secondary color changes the buttons, which is going to match the color of my text. In order for my buttons to match my backdrop, all I did was just copy the colorway from Canva into Lumabooth. Now we're going to move on to our print layout. For this step, my customer only wanted one photo, and she wanted an overlay over the top of the photo. She specifically wanted to make sure her outfit was captured in the picture, so that's why you'll see me choosing the 5x7 layout. To add an overlay, you're going to select Add an Image and select the transparent image overlay that you either created in Canva or you downloaded from Etsy or another overlay website. At the time, I didn't realize I had this large star over my photo, but I did catch it in time and I was able to take it out before my event. Moving on to capture mode, this is where you'll select the experience that your customer would like to have. Now for my event, she only wanted photo and GIF, so you'll see me select or deselect video and boomerang. And in the capture settings, I am changing the GIF sizing to square and adding an extra photo for the captures for GIFs. Skipping background removal, going to effects, you're going to make sure that your filters are turned off if that's what your event details captures. She did not want a black and white. And I also turned beauty mode on. I skip over stickers. And capture settings, you want to make sure that you keep the white balance on auto. Manual exposure, you keep off. My event is outside, so I need my iPad to configure the settings itself. Go ahead and adjust the sharing and the emails to your liking. If you need me to make an extra video about these features, please let me know. Now, to add the animated screen, you will need to turn your virtual attendant on. You'll go ahead and upload that MP4 video in the start screen section and move on to survey, move on to the disclaimer, and test your event. This is how it should look. All right, if you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. Make sure to share if you did this yourself and were successful with it. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.